Take a ride in the 2025 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.